Welcome to the channel, and today I wanted to talk to you about sharps and how to find a sharp on the guitar, what they are, and then I'm going to give you 3 chords and show you how to make them into sharps. And that's coming up. But first, real quick, just want to tell you, I don't like telling you about trips and that because I don't want to feel like I'm bragging or that, especially expensive trips, but today I went to the grocery store. Okay, enough of that. Today I want to talk about sharps, and when we talk about sharps, we're talking about the pitch that you're hearing, like all the strings. We have 6 strings, E to E, and literally, when the guitar is in tune, that pitch right there is an E. This second string here is called a B, and the pitch that you're hearing when it's in tune, it's also a B. So when we're talking about sharps, we're talking about the pitch. So to change the pitch on the E string, this top string, all we need to do is place our finger here on the first fret. So now we've got a higher pitch. We've got an E. Next pitch above an E is an F. How to find a sharp on the guitar? This is a G right here. And 1 half step up. And when we say up, it's, even though that's down, this is a higher pitch, so that's up. If we were going to a lower pitch, we'd be going here. So G, we're going half a step or 1 fret. So now we went from G to G sharp. A half step up from G sharp, A. So sharp on the guitar is a half step or 1 fret. G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Don't forget to stick around because we're going to give you 3 chords to take with you. But first, there's a rule. Anytime you move up half a step, which a half step is 1 fret, you're sharpening the note. So we got G sharp, A sharp, B. Meaning the pitch from G to G sharp is a higher frequency. So can you hear it? Higher frequency. We're changing the pitch. There's an exception to the rule. B and E do not have sharps. But that's a different story. And if you want to learn more about that, check out the link in the description for the courses at Sharon's Guitar Academy. I'll teach you all about it. Now the moment you've been waiting for, 3 chords to take with you. First chord is going to be this B flat right there. Your first finger is going to be right here on the A string at the first fret. You always want to be up behind this fret right here. And then these 3 strings right here, which will be 4, 3, and 2. Hyperextend your 3rd finger. B flat. We're going to sharpen the B flat. We're going to move it up half a step or 1 fret. Now we've got a B. Can Can you hear the difference? Sharpen the B flat. Whoop. The next chord we've got is a minor chord because it's a bar chord, but an easier one. So play this F minor. You're going to bar all the strings on the first fret. Then place your third finger on the third fret at the A string. Right below it, on the D string, is your fourth finger. Might be a little tricky for if you're a beginner. But take your thumb and press it against the middle of the back of the neck of the guitar. So we've got an F minor. Even I'm not playing it good. Here we go. There we go. So we've got an F minor. We're going to move it up. Just leave all your fingers the same and slide it up one half step or one fret. Now you've got an F sharp minor. So we've got a B flat, a B, we've got the F minor, F sharp minor. By moving it up half a step, we're sharpening the chord. All right, so the next chord we have is a G chord. We're not playing it like this. We're going to play bar chord. Okay, so we're going to start here on the third fret. Place your one finger across all the strings on the third fret. Your third finger and fourth finger are just like if you were playing a minor chord on the A string and D string. Not playing the G minor, we're going to play G major. So put your second finger on the G string at the fourth fret. So we want to make it a G sharp. What are we going to do? We're going to slide. Keep all your fingers the same, and we're going to slide it down one half step or one fret. Now we've got a G sharp. Notice the pitch is higher. So if you like this kind of lesson, I hope you do. Can you give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to watch that video next. Thanks.